In today's class, I want to look at what we call function. This question on the board here is what I teach all my students in the UK writing GCSE F maths. So today I want to also solve it with you guys so you can learn from it. Now we have the question on the board. We are told that f of s is equal to what? 4x to the power of 4 minus x squared. We are now asked to show that this function here, f of x, is equal to what? A squared in brackets, maybe n minus what? 1, and this one here, where a and b are what? Integers. Let's see what it will look like. Now, to solve this question, I will not even touch this one here, this one, no. I will work from this one here. F of s is equal to what? This. Let's break it down. So if f of s is, let's see, f of s is equal to what? 4x to the power of 4 minus what? X squared. As a matter of fact, I'm going to call algebraic what? Mathematics here to make it easier for you. What are you here first? This thing you're seeing here is the same thing as what? 2x squared all squared minus x squared, because this is actually what? 2 squared. So this 2 and this square is 4, and this x squared and this what? X to the power of what? 4. So therefore, this one here is called difference of what? 2 squares. You get that now, correct? So it means that this one, 2x squared all squared minus x squared is equal to 2x squared minus x in brackets and 2x squared plus what? X. We'll call this difference of 2 squares. So it means that f of x is what? This in factors. Now let's now go further. I can still what? Factorize x in both cases. So therefore it also means that the same f of x now is equal to what? In this case, I want to bring that x here. I'll be having, just observe, I'll bring that x, I'll be having x outside. I'll be having x squared for both cases in brackets. We now have 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1, because I brought out what? X out here and x out here. It becomes what? X squared here. Simple as such. That's to say, x is here, come out. What is left is what? 2x minus 1. Similar thing happens here. So I have x squared and I have this. Therefore, f of x, this is the what? The expression as a function. We are now asked to show that f of f is equal to this. And we're now asked to find the value of what? A and what? B. That's to say, where a and b are what? Integer. That's what is what? A and what? B. So let's go ahead now. So from here, we'll be having that f of x will now be, it means that anywhere I see x, I put what? This one there. I'll be having this one here. I'll be having 5 all squared in brackets. If I put 5x in where x is, I'll have 5x and I'll have 10. I'll have 10x, then minus 1, then bracket. Similar thing here, if I put 5x, I'll have 10. I'll have 10x plus 1. Now, if you observe very well, you notice I don't have that. f5 of x will now be, this is now what? 25x squared, bracket, 10x minus 1, and 10x plus 1. So let's compare this and this. You agree with me that I have this and I have this. So compare the coefficient of x squared. A is what? 25. Likewise, in this case, b x minus 1, sit here, b is what? 10, and b is also what? 10. So therefore, we'll say hence, the integers a and b, a is equal to what? 25, and b is equal to what? 10. So the values of the integers are 25 and what? B respectively. Very simple, very easy. My name is Carlos, and my job here is to boost confidence. Please remember this. Until you are in the know, you can't be in the flow. Kindly what? Like, share, and do the follow. Oh, double. Bye-bye.